Good morning, all students. Welcome back to our online class for today. So this is the second section, and for the second section, we are going to learn from Blueprint 3. Okay, students. So with this video, we are going to continue our lessons. Lesson 1, basic questions. So you learned already in the part A. We talk about almost 10 questions that will appear in. 10 questions that will appear in the interview, and teacher believes that right now you have answered to those questions already. Okay, students, so here are the vocabulary that the teacher wants to review all of you, and the main topic that teacher want you to know is about grammar. So we will learn about object pronouns and reflexive pronouns. Students, until now teacher believes that with these two topics it is a review for all of you. Why? Because we have learned, right? We have learned these topics in the writing practice book 2 about object pronouns. You know already about object pronouns, subject pronouns, right? And reflexive pronouns as well. Okay, so teacher just write number 1 and number 2 here, and then teacher will ask you what object pronoun do you know and what reflexive pronouns do you know, and when do we use reflexive pronouns in sentences? Okay, and about the definition of the word pronouns as well. Okay, students, do you still remember about all of this? Okay, so teacher will tell you by the way. Okay, good. So let's teacher review you about some vocabulary first before we move to our new topic. Okay, before we move to the topic over here. Okay, students, so here for the review, and teacher just write the vocabulary only, and if you're not sure about its function, you can check back or look at back to our previous video, then you will see the function all of this vocabulary. Okay, students, let teacher read it for you. Willing, again, willing, respond, come up, memorize, challenge, face, accomplishment, relocate, again, relocate, accomplishment, face, challenge, memorize, come up, respond, willing. Repeat after me all together. Willing, respond, come up, memorize, challenge, face, accomplishment, relocate. Again, relocate, accomplishment, face, challenge, memorize, come up, respond, willing. Okay, students, what does willing mean? So willing means what does it mean? Okay, mean ready to do something. Okay, willing. And respond mean answer. Okay, and come up, what does it mean come up? This is called phrasal verb because there are two words connected with each other. The first one is a verb and preposition. So verb and preposition we call phrasal verbs, and meaning it means idiom. Okay, it means idiom. So students, come up, what does it mean? Come up means become a topic to talk. Okay, so come up, or we can say appear. Okay, this word. Memorize, what does it mean? Memorize means remember. Okay, remember. Okay, students, so challenge, what does it mean? Challenge. Okay, challenge, we can say talk about the people who joined a competition in an event. Okay, next, face over here, what does it mean? Face. There are two meanings of face. Okay, the first is the in front of humans. Okay, this is face, as you can see. One more, face means meet. Okay, meet with something, meet the problems. Okay, this word always used with face problems. Okay, in this lesson. Accomplishment, what does it mean? Accomplishment, Accomplishment, we talk about the job that we have achieve. So we call accomplishment. And relocate. Relocate means change from one place to another place. So we call relocate. Example, teacher stand here, then teacher move here. So we call relocate. We change the place. Got it? Okay, good. So that's all for the review. Let's read it again. I want to repeat after me all together. Willing, respond, come up, memorize, challenge, face, accomplishment, relocate, relocate, accomplishment, face, challenge, memorize, come up, respond, willing. Okay, that's all. All right, so students. So let me move to our grammar for today. So we have two parts of grammar. So the first is about objective pronouns and reflexive pronouns. So before we learned about this, let teacher review you. What is pronouns? When do we use pronoun in the sentences? Okay, and what pronouns do you know? Okay, students, so pronouns we use to replace noun, okay, in the sentences, okay. Pronouns can be object or subject as well, okay. And also, sometimes we will use the reflexive pronouns in the sentences when the subject returns to, okay, to the subject itself. So we use reflexive pronouns as well. Okay, students, so this is object pronouns. So what object pronouns do you know? Please tell me. Okay, object pronouns like what? Like object pronouns me, okay, me, him. Anything else, students? Him, her, us, okay, us, you. Anything else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 more. Okay, like them, okay, them, and, okay, and it. And eat. No more, right? Or anything else, students, about object pronouns? Okay, no more. So these are object pronouns, right? Okay, good. So we always use it in the object, okay, to replace the noun in the object. So we call object pronouns. And how about number 2? Reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns. So what reflexive pronouns do you know, students? Like myself, myself. Anything else? Myself, itself, right? Okay, students, so now teacher would like you to open your book to page 49, and then you will see, okay, about the subject and reflexive pronouns. You can see here myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, okay, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Good. Itself. We have space here. Yourself. Yourself. Himself. Okay. Himself. We have more. Herself. Okay. Herself, ourself, okay, LVES. Alsef. Themself. Okay, themselves. No, we have to change F to VES. Okay, themselves. That's all. Okay. Okay, students. So these are reflexive pronouns. Okay, we use it when the action of the subject returns to the subject itself. So we use reflexive pronouns, and we use pronouns to replace nouns. And you know that pronouns can be subject or object as well. So these are the object pronouns, everyone. So students, who can tell me about the subject pronouns that you know? Okay, so let's add one more about object subject pronouns. Okay, let's plus subject pronoun. Okay, today we learned about object pronouns only, but let's add one more about the subject pronouns. Okay, students, let's tell me about the subject pronouns that you have learned. Okay, like I, okay, you, we, anything else? They, he, she, and it. You, they, she, and it. Okay, students? Alright, so these are called object pronouns. This called subject object pronoun. This called object pronoun, subject pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. Okay, students, do you have any question? Okay, if no questions, let's teacher finish this video. Okay, if you have the question, just leave a question below this video in the group. Okay, and our homeroom teacher will try to answer your question, or you can chat directly to me. Okay, through our Telegram as well. Okay, students, thank you so much for watching. Now let's teacher say goodbye, and teacher hope to see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.